I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Animate to create smooth slide transitions. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, open a presentation design so you're working with the right canvas size and layout. If you don't see a template you like, start with a blank presentation. It's perfect for demonstrating animations clearly. Begin by adding your slides. Click Add Page to create your first and second slides. On the first slide, place your main elements, like a headline, a subtitle, an icon, or a shape. On the second slide, include the same kinds of elements and keep them consistent. Use the same fonts, colors, and similar positions. Consistency is key here because Magic Animate looks for matching elements to create smooth motion between slides. A helpful tip is to duplicate your first slide before editing the second one. That way, alignment and sizing stay the same, and Canva has an easier time animating between them. Use the alignment guides to keep everything neat and intentional. Now let's bring your slides to life. Select the page you want to animate, then click Animate on the top toolbar. Choose Magic Animate. Canva will automatically analyze the elements on your slides and generate transitions that move, fade, and scale items in a way that feels natural. You don't need to keyframe anything. Magic Animate handles the heavy lifting. If your slides share similar elements with consistent placement, you'll see a clean, cohesive transition. To see it in action, click Present. Advance from the first slide to the second and watch how the headline, icons, and shapes flow smoothly from one layout to the next. If anything feels too fast or too slow, you can fine-tune it. Adjust the pacing by clicking Slide Duration and changing the number of seconds. Shorter durations feel snappier, longer ones feel more cinematic. Try a few timings to match the tone of your presentation. If you grouped elements or used multiple layers, small tweaks to placement or duration can dramatically improve the effect. When you're happy with the result, you're ready to share. Click Share, then Download, and select MP4 so the animation is preserved in a video file that plays anywhere. If you're presenting live, you can skip the download and click Present directly for a smooth, professional delivery straight from Canva. That's it. Open a presentation, build 2 consistent slides, apply Magic Animate, preview, adjust timing, and then download or present. With these steps, you'll create polished transitions quickly and confidently.